This video explores maximum power transfer and the superposition theorem, essential concepts for optimizing electrical installations and network analysis. Multi-source problems cannot be analyzed as a single simple loop because multiple voltage sources push current in complex, overlapping directions. Basic rules like V equals IR fail here. The superposition solution uses a divide and conquer approach. We isolate each energy source, analyze it independently, and then combine the results to find the total effect. To isolate sources, voltage sources are replaced with short circuits, or 0 volts. Current sources are replaced with open circuits, or 0 amps. The superposition three-step method involves keeping one source active, calculating the branch current or voltage, and then adding the resulting values algebraically for all sources. The algebraic sum is crucial. Current direction dictates the math, meaning opposing currents must be subtracted to find the net current flow. A key limitation is that superposition applies only to current and voltage, not to power. Power scales exponentially, so total power is not the sum of individual power values. Superposition is about analysis, telling us how current flows. Optimization, such as maximum power transfer, tells us what the current does, focusing on utility. Maximum power transfer occurs when the load resistance exactly equals the internal resistance of the source, maximizing the power delivered to the load. The mathematical proof confirms that power peaks when load resistance equals internal resistance. This is derived by relating current, power, and resistance. The optimization peak illustrates that power drops if the load resistance is either too low or too high relative to the internal resistance. The peak is absolute. The 50% efficiency rule states that at maximum power transfer, exactly half of the generated power is useful, and the other half is lost as heat inside the source. Maximum power transfer is used where signal strength is prioritized, like in audio amplifiers. It is never used in power grids, which require high efficiency above 50%. Superposition is used to analyze complex circuits with multiple power sources, focusing on current and voltage. Max power transfer optimizes power delivery for wattage. Key takeaways include using superposition to simplify analysis, matching resistance for maximum power, and accepting the 50% efficiency loss when optimizing for raw power.